Hi everyone, welcome back to Dr. KK's channel. Today we will see Salesforce, a cloud service provider.
We shall start with the Salesforce. So Salesforce is created the Sales Cloud. Okay, so what these people are doing now, they are creating a Sales Cloud. So by creating the Sales Cloud, so what is the benefit now? The customer can create a n number of website, like best example Amazon. So Amazon is the best example which help us to build the cloud. Okay, so this cloud will help us to create a website. Not only this Amazon, likewise a customer can create a n number of website. Okay, so by creating this, what we can do now, they can utilize the so many benefit and they can eliminate the risk, and their expenses is also very less. And one important thing is this is an open architecture. Salesforce is an open architecture where this update can be done automatically. So automatically update is available in the Salesforce. So whatever the things updated on the provider side, that will be get reflected to the customer. Okay, so here with the help of that, what will happen now, what we are using, that particular cost alone we need to pay. Okay, especially here what they are providing now, CRM, traditional CRM software, which is a customer relationship management, and this is a very customized one, flexible, easy, where the customer can build their reports, sheets, everything in a flexible manner. So Salesforce, you people know more than me that you are you got practiced with the various batches, and you are continuing with the various ideas and the recent and innovative technologies with the Salesforce, where you people have collaborated the Twitter, web, WhatsApp, everything, the collaborations. Na? So this will help us to not only have a collaborative environment, customer, especially business people, can develop their own business with the help of this Salesforce cloud provider. Okay, number one, what the Salesforce is doing, the Salesforce is providing the service cloud. So the service cloud is nothing but this is a knowledge as a service. So already we people know about the infrastructure as a service, and then software as a service, platform as a service. Likewise, the Salesforce, they provide a service called knowledge as a service. So what this knowledge as a service will do? So they are providing this, which include account, contact, cases and solutions. So these kind of things are added to enrich the features, to increase the public knowledge base, where else these people have the customer service automation. Okay, customer service automations is the very essential one in the cloud provider service. So this Salesforce, we can 100% guarantee say that these people are providing the customer service automation. See, not only that, this service cloud include a call center like case tracking feature, social network plugin. What for? To do the data analytics and have some conversations with the customer or the data. A deep analytics can be done with the help of this service cloud. Okay, here not only that, this service cloud will help us to create an more than one n number of users cloud platform. Okay, in an advanced manner. In an advanced manner. See what a particular customer can do now. They can get all the benefit available on the cloud, that is, which is available on the salesforce.com. So you can open the browser and you can log into the salesforce.com, and whatever the expensive things are available, and you can get it pay as you go in the salesforce.com. So especially business people, they can get more benefited with the help of this Salesforce. Okay, so this is one of the powerful knowledge management, where it's not like an standalone applications. It is very user friendly, and the coding part is also very less. No need of having a full skilled knowledge, programming knowledge. So here it is user friendly interactions and it is fully integrated with everything else. That is the knowledge as a service. That's why they have given this name as knowledge as a service. So apart from that, what all the service cloud is offering? That's the thing they are explaining in this slide. So they offer all category of tools, all the tools. So whatever the tools you want, that tools can be offered in the Salesforce Service Cloud. Okay, so not only that, any related to the CRM. So want to find out the solutions for the CRM, and that can also be continuously you can create, review, deliver, analyze your data, and you can improve the knowledge also with the help of this Service Cloud. So once this is delivered, the Service Cloud is delivered, what we can do now, not only one particular customers, n number of multi-tenant. So that is nothing but it is a multi-tenant concept that is available in the Service Cloud also. Apart from that, what we can do now, we'll be getting one of the solution from the Salesforce by using their resources. So those reports or sheets, balance sheet, so and so, what we can do now, we can share through the email or through any client chat, everything that can be done with the help of this Service Cloud. So apart from that, we can get any kind of website services in the Service Cloud. Okay, so not only that, if any one of them want to take a merit through the media, social media, like Twitter, Facebook, so easily the particular customer, they can acquire that knowledge and that can be captured various idea by the particular customer, and they can have a customized and collaborative interactive website or the applications or the sessions with the Salesforce, which is provided through the Service Cloud. And everything, all these can be done with the help of secured manner. So everything in a secured manner, where the Service Cloud. So the Service Cloud, what they are doing now, they are providing the various clouds. Okay, so that is needed how to manage the knowledge at enterprise scale. So here what we are having now, so we are having the n number of customer reports, customer sheets. So everything what we want, that can be customized manner, and we can get it benefit in a easy manner, easy flexible manner, whatever the complexities. So whatever the complexity business we are doing, this Service Cloud people will help us to provide the easy accessing. Okay, so that's all regarding this Salesforce.